what Steve said was, Debbie, don't do that. Do text to columns. Let me show you. First, add in a few extra columns so you do not write over any information you have. Highlight the column you'd like to split apart. In the data menu, there's a function called text to columns. A little wizard walks you right through it. Basically, it just says, number one, what would you like me to look for? A space, a comma, a semicolon. Just select space. And then you won't have any special formatting. Just click finish, and it will automatically split apart 2 names, 10 names, 10,000 names.